this composting toilet is clean, easy, doesn't smell, and costs $5 for the trash bags that you'll need. You will need a heavy-duty 5-gallon bucket, easily found outside the back of stores. You'll need a toilet seat riser. For covering, if it's the time of year that you don't have leaves, you can use sawdust. In other words, but wood chips that come out of those big grinders that, when they're cutting down trees and pruning, the wood chips are too big. They don't compost well. So you'll want something that's finer, like sawdust, or the finer type of wood shavings. Leaves are really best though. Then you do your thing. You put the seat on the bucket, and you sit comfortably, just like a toilet. The height for me is just right. And then you put some leaves in on top after you're done, and you pack it down. And I put some. I do put some urine in there, but not all, because it gets too wet. If the leaves are really dry, then I put it in there. And you can get about 10 visits to this bathroom. I get about 10 of them, and before the bag fills up, it pulls right out of the bucket, and then that's really the easy part that I haven't seen before. You pull it out, you just take it and put it into. I put it into a 55, a big trash barrel, and I let them just sit down there for 2 or 3 months until I get a pretty, until the bucket starts to fill up. Then I number them so I can see which ones are the oldest, and take it out. And after about 3 months, there's little smell. There's some, but not much fecal smell. And so then I have a second stage, which I use these storage containers, and I put about 6 inches of leaves in there, dry leaves, and then I dump the 3-month-old bag of toilet compost. It's composted pretty well. In 4 months, no smell at all. This will make the best garden compost you'll ever have.